Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and we are live with some breaking news. We on a full alert. We're on a full alert. How's it going to blow up? KSHB. What they gon' be? Good morning, everybody. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and we are live on YouTube, the greatest streaming platform in the universe, and LiveMe, which is streaming through Instagram, another amazing platform. I wanted to say that we have some big news, and I wanted to bring it to you guys first from Green Growth Brands. Now, I brought you Green Growth Brands first when they first came out, and they were at like dirt cheap, $2.70, right? It went all the way up during the explosion in January to $6.20. It was a huge winner for members. Since then, it has been going down, and down, all the way down. My goodness. And I think we have found the bottom. They were up 4.84% yesterday. GGB in Canada, GGBXF in America, and they have some breaking news. Green Growth Brands opens 150th CBD shop and provides progress update. This is the breaking news from Green Growth Brands. I told you about them first, and I'm telling you they are coming off a bottom. This company will go back to $5 to $6 in the future. And at $1.30, that would be an incredible buying opportunity. Now remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your own due diligence. Always do your own research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. Always invest in the best because the best is blessed. Now, Green Growth Brands, GGB in Canada, GGBXF in America is pleased to announce it has opened its 150th Seventh Sense Botanical Therapy. That's big. 150th store? CBD mall-based shop. The first Seventh Sense shop opened in early February. So we're talking about in 9 months, they opened up 150 stores. This is huge. GGB will provide a sales update on the performance of Seventh Sense shops and e-commerce on its earnings call for fourth quarter and fiscal year 2019 ended June 30th. The call will occur on Thursday, October 24th, 2019. In the interim, the company would like to share a progress update on the expansion of Seventh Sense. The 150 shops operate across 35 states and are expected to reach up to 200 locations by the start of the holiday shopping season. I want to know, is this a bottom for Green Growth Brands? Sure looks like a bottom to me. I don't know. Sure looks like a bottom to me. Let's just search Green Growth Brands. I mean, it's this simple. Just type in Green Growth Brands. greengrowthbrands.com. Here we go. This is their website. So 150 shops operate across 35 states and are expected to reach up to 200 locations. Wow. By the start of the holiday shopping season. They're probably going to have a pretty big shopping season. Based on this, to date, nearly 20% of the customers in the consumer database have made a repeat purchase. Repeat customers means big money's coming. Repeat online purchases occur on average every 31 days. There are over 350 product reviews to date with an average rating of 4.5 stars out of 5. Great rating. There are over 350 product reviews to date. It's good. The Seventh Sense email consumer database grew 59% over August. Amazing growth. SMS texting to consumers was launched on August 7th. Enrollment grew 178% in the last 30 days. So I guess the texting's working. That's big. This month, Seventh Sense will launch its first national media campaign, heavily focusing on digital and branded media partnerships. Activities will include editorial-focused media placements and unique out-of-home activations in key markets throughout the United States. I think this thing's going to go. I think it's going to go, and I think it's going to blow, folks. And this is why I like to bring it to you guys first. I like to bring you guys the news, and I like to bring you guys stocks at 52-week lows so that you can win, so that you can make money. What do you think it means when they're saying they're going to do a bunch of media? Like, what do you think that means, guys? Digital media. Advertising? Okay. Seventh Sense shops retail high-quality botanical therapy, CBD-infused personal care, and beauty products are affordable prices. The product offering includes over 100 SKUs across bath, body, face, therapeutic, and sleep category. To shop online, find a list of all retail locations and view consumer product reviews. Please visit shop7sense.com and follow along on Instagram at Seventh Sense Botanicals. About Seventh Sense Botanical Therapy. Seventh Sense Botanical Therapy offers CBD-infused botanical body care using the finest ingredients on earth. Crafted with wellness in mind, Seventh Sense aims to make CBD an accessible part of self-care routines across the country. Discover the magic of CBD at shops across the country and online at seventhsense.com and on Instagram at Seventh Sense Botanicals. I'm going to go to Instagram after this video and I'm going to follow them. About Green Growth Brands Inc. Green Growth Brands creates remarkable experiences in cannabis and CBD, led by CEO Peter Horvath and a leadership team of consumer-focused retail experts. The company's brands include Camp, Seventh Sense Botanical Therapy, The Plus Source, Green Lily, and Mary Plus Jane. The company also has a licensing agreement with the Greg Norman trademark brand to develop a line of CBD-infused personal care products designed for active wellness. That's Greg Norman, the famous golfer. Already driving the strongest sales per square feet in the cannabis industry, GGB is expanding its cannabis operations throughout the US. Its CBD presence at shop 7thsense.com in malls across the country, at DSW and Abercrombie and Fitch stores. And that's just the beginning. So yeah, you guys can go to greengrowthbrands.com, their website right there, and learn more about the company. I think this is big news. This is breaking news. I think this company is going to be an absolute giant. And that's why I had to bring it to you first. It's growing season, folks. We had our bottom, we had our dip, we had our crash in the cannabis sector, okay? Everything found 52-week lows, including Green Growth Brands. The 52-week highs are way higher right now than the 52-week lows. Right now, we're at a bottom. This is the time to buy. This is the time to accumulate. This is the time to get rich, okay? And when it explodes and everything gets back to 52-week highs, that is the time to sell. It's really that simple. It really is that simple. It doesn't need to be complicated, okay? I'm not going to go through everything here and the entire website or all that stuff, but man, I want to go through some of your guys' questions. Let's go through some of your guys' questions. Robert says, good morning, Rich. Thank you for taking the time to mentor all of us. One love. Hey, man, my pleasure, man. Strong community is a winning community. Johan is asking, what's LiveMe? LiveMe is another platform that I stream on. You guys can go and follow me there too. Jason Garza says, any real news, Rich, that might explain the pop? Sorry, which pop are you talking about? Are you talking about the pop yesterday? The pop yesterday went up because everything went up yesterday because Americans were polled. 1,700 Americans were polled, and out of all the 1,700 Americans that were polled, 55% of them felt that drugs should be legalized. That's the real reason why the market's popping. Johan is saying ACB is up 6%. Great way to start the day, man. I told you guys we found the bottom. Jason Garza says, smart money will buy LG cap US now, large cap US now. Tell those that don't know yet. Yeah, well, obviously, the big money is going to go and invest in the best because the best is blessed. I've been telling you guys that for years. Scott Norris says, this is the exact reason why I am buying now and just waiting, because we're at the bottom. If you're buying now, you're smart. You're smart because we're at the bottom. Look at the charts, man. The charts don't lie, but people do. Look at the charts, man. We're at the bottom, clearly. Infinite Possibility says, good morning. Appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. Thank you for following and joining and being a part of this. Maxed Out says, Rich, what's cracking today? ACB PepsiCo deal. Yeah, I guess ACB's got some big news. Maybe we'll get into that. Tony M. Beat says, what do you think of Weed MD? I like Weed MD. Ryan Hannon says, you buying GGB now? No, I'm just bringing you guys the news. I already made a lot of investments. I went over $100,000 worth of cannabis stocks, and I'm just chilling right now. I don't need to buy anything, but I wanted to bring this news to you guys. Infinite Possibility says, I made money on GGB from $4 to $5. And can you imagine they're at $1.30 now? LL is saying Pura. Infinite Possibility says, it's all up from here, guys. LL is saying Pura is up 16%. I like to see that. Raz says, opinion on Ianthus. Been watching them a long time. I think Ianthus is undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed, especially with their acquisition of MPX. I think they're going to be a giant. John says, what do you think about Trust? Well, Can't Trust obviously lost their sales license, so there's really nothing to talk about until they get their license back. And GWPH. I think GWPH is a beast. GW Pharma is going to be huge. Michael Walker is saying, ACB releases some great news. Hey, this is good for the sector. Let them release that news. LL is saying, FCEL, big moves. Ramdat says, Cura looks primed to run. Like the running of the bulls? Jason Garza says, even if it's just a dead CEO bounce, the resurrection is coming. Crybabies, go take a nap. Apele says, EMH is a steal at these prices. I think everything is a steal at these prices. I think we're at a bottom, folks. I think the bottom is in. We found the bottom. Dave says, we will still have some bad days, but I want it to go down more so I can load up. Yeah, I don't know about wanting it to go down more, but hey, look at this, guys. Told you, Green Growth Brands has got some breaking news. They're already up 3.85%. And who brought it to you guys first? Your boy. I mean, that's all we do, is we bring you winners and we bring them to you first. Once again, we brought you Green Growth Brands, we brought you the breaking news, and they are green. Jason Garza says, Cura is a good one. Of course. We all know this. Ramdat says, Cura is a gold mine as long as they don't dilute. Well, this is the problem with all these companies. The way they raise money is by selling stock. So it's really difficult to ask these companies not to dilute when that's all they know. Do I know when Zena's financial report? I believe Zena is November 14th. LL says, it is a Chinese holiday till Friday. Really? Well, happy holidays to everybody in China. Now let's just take a look at the markets overall and see if we can find any big news that is trending outside of Green Growth Brands. We will come back to Green Growth Brands. Let's take a look at the pot stocks. Yeah, Green Growth Brands back on the rise, man. I told you guys we found the bottom. So far, I see a little bit of red. I mean, the market's just open, but I see a little bit of red. Let's see here. So Gene Invictus MD is up 5%. RavenQuest Biomed RQB is up 5%. ISOL is up 4%. National Access Cannabis, such a good price for Meta, is up 4%. Indiva is up 3.9%. Lipton Co. Corp up 3.5%. Chum Holdings up 3%. Delta 9 Cannabis, very undervalued company, up 3%. Oxley up 2.6%. And Aurora up 2.5% so far. Carlos says, hey Rich, can you share with your viewers C-Web's share structure? Yeah, absolutely. Why not? Ramdat says, as long as they give me 2-week warning before dilution. Ramdat says, thumbs ups for Rich and a green day. Hey man, we love greens. We love our greens, and green days are a gift. Green days are a gift. Thank you guys on LiveMe for watching and being here. I appreciate you guys. I love this streaming platform on LiveMe. Thank you guys for being here on YouTube. I love you guys. I love this streaming platform on YouTube. Canopy Growth is green. Aurora is green. Chronos Growth. Did I just say Chronos Growth? Chronos Group is green. Tilray is green. Aphria is green. Hexo is green. The Green Organic Dutchman's green. Oxley is green. Canopy Rivers is green. The Flower Corporation is green. Weed MD is green. So far in Canada. LL is saying, the reason I mentioned the Chinese market, the Chinese holiday, could that affect the overall market? Could. I don't know how much it's going to affect the market, but it could. I mean, anything and everything can affect the market. Joseph says, you still have hopes in Pasha, Rich? Price looking good to get in. I think Pasha is going to be a beast, yes. Pasha Brands is very big, and they have enormous potential. Now, America had a huge day yesterday. We are green again early today in America. Let's take a look at some of the winners. MCOA, Marijuana Company of America, up 13%. Wow, Green Growth Brands in America up 12%. Somebody's watching your boy. Golden Leaf Holdings up 8%. SOL Global Investments Corp up 7%. Liberty Health Sciences, they've been flying, up 7%. Tilt is up again, 4.8%. Emerald Health Biosciences, Emerald Biosciences Inc., EMBI, up 3.6%. Harvest Health and Recreation, up 3.6%. 0.35%, and CV Sciences has been on a nice run, up 3.2%. MedMen up 2.5%. Green Thumb Industries is green. Cresco Labs is green. Charlotte's Web is green. TrueLeave is green. Canna Royalty is green. Ianthus is green. This is nice, man. Kushco Bottles is green. We're seeing a lot of green. Agriflora is up another 11%. Fantastic. Pura is exploding. Fantastic. John is asking, what do you think about North? I think North is good. I think they have a lot of potential and a lot of upside. Agriflora, obviously I own Agriflora. Jason Garza saying, smash the button for a green day. Yeah, smash that like button, folks. Whether on LiveMe or YouTube, please smash that button. Scott Norris says, I buy these stocks and forgot I own them anymore. I check them later. I'm in for this long term. Yeah, this is the time to buy right now. Joshua is saying Pura is exploding. Agriflora up 11%, says Ras. Ramdat says, I'm in till 2020 election hype. That's going to be big. That's going to be so big. Ramdad is asking, what is Pura? Rob Amar says, check out Captiva Verde PWR halted now, making a move into Mexico. Thank you for the pick. Gamal says, hey, Rich, what are your expectations after Cannabis 2.0? I think that the markets are just going to keep growing and they're going to keep getting bigger because once edibles gets legalized, that's essentially going to increase the revenues of the entire sector by 30 to 40%. That's going to be huge. Infinite Possibilities says Kronos Group up 1%. Joshua says Pura sells CBD beverages. Ryan says, which top 2 MSOs do you feel is at the best prices at the moment? Wow, I mean, that's a tough question, but in my opinion, the best 2 MSOs are TrueLeave and CureLeave. Jason Garza says, go Emerald, my underdog. Carlos says, C-Web was down 11% and the next day up 12% and today up 6%. Okay, you guys are asking about C-Web. Let's take a look at C-Web. It's the beauty of Rich TV Live. We got everything at our fingertips right here, guys. All the tools, all the key ratios. Now, if we go to share info, CWBHF is the symbol for C-Web in America, CWEB in Canada. So if you take a look at the share structure of C-Web, you can see that they have total shares of 49.25 million. So under 50 million shares, which I think is really, really tight. One of the reasons why you see the stock going up. Jason Garza says, hey, Rich, live is live. Yes. John says, do you think October 17th, the edibles legalization? I think it's going to be good. However, edibles legalization won't really take place and into effect until 60 days later. So yes, it will happen officially on October 17th, but it won't actually take into effect until mid-October. Now here we are in the green again in the cannabis sector. And I was all over social media yesterday telling everybody that we were at the bottom. Clearly we found the bottom. Ramdad says, Cura got Pura beat. Yeah, I think Cura's got Pura beat in a lot of different ways. Pacquiao says, Green Day, baby. Apelli says, EMH all day. So yeah, you guys can see the green is growing. I'm going to look in some of the news. You guys are asking me to look into Aurora news. Let's take a look. Let's pull up Aurora. Thank you guys for joining on LiveMe. If you follow me, I will follow you. My name is Rich from Rich TV Live. You can go to richtvlive.com and you can see what we do there. But essentially, we talk stocks. We educate people about investment opportunities. I'm an entrepreneur, been a lifelong entrepreneur since I was 21. For 20 years, I've been running my own business. Never really had a boss. Can't really respond or deal with bosses. But love the stock market, love the cannabis stock sector. Think that this is the fastest growing sector in the world. And let's break down the news right here. Aurora Cannabis provides update on global operations and growth initiatives. Cultivation leadership further strengthened as global facilities achieve significant milestones. Global market expansion continues in medical cannabis and hemp markets. Network of strategic partners continue to demonstrate value on strong execution. Aurora takes its leadership position in the global cannabis industry seriously and is committed to being open and transparent with all of our stakeholders, said Terry Booth, CEO of Aurora. The Aurora team is working to advance several major strategic initiatives in Canada, the United States, and abroad, aimed at further strengthening Aurora's global position. We are laser focused on delivering on our business plan and prudently managing our investors' capital. So they're going through the entire deal here. I'm not going to go through all the news, but clearly Aurora is going up right now. Now, if you guys want to see my success ratio, you could see here that we've made 49 picks. We've won, and out of our picks, out of 49 picks, at one point or another, 42 have been up since my videos, and we are now up 86% on the year. 42 wins, 7 losses, and you can see all the picks there and how high they went up after I did my video. Some of them have come down, especially in the cannabis sector, because we are no longer at 52-week highs. We're at 52-week lows, which means now is the time to load up again. Ramdad says the edibles market will cause the next cannabis because people will be bugging out from eating too much. Scott Norris says, I read that the marijuana markets won't be filled until March 2020. I mean, we're just getting started. This sector is just getting started. So who the heck really knows? Nobody really knows. Nobody really knows where anything's going to go. Nobody really knows where anything's going to go, let's be honest. So all we can really do is buy the lows. And when we see profits, everybody asks, Rich, but when do you know when to sell? I tell you guys always. Sell when you're up 10% or more. Really simple. You don't need to overcomplicate anything. It's actually quite simple. Just sell when you're up 10% or more. That's it. Make that a rule for yourself. When you see 10% or more, take it. Oh, look at this. So Heritage Cannabis Holdings up 5%. TerraSend making a big move. I told you TerraSend was at a good price. Up 5.4%. Saniva up 5%. Aurora Cannabis up just under 5%. Agriflora up. Isodiol up. National Access Cannabis up. The Flower Corporation up. Harvest One Cannabis up. Lift & Co up. Canopy Growth Corp is up. Chronos Group is up. Afria's up. Hexo's up. The Green Organic Dutchman's up. Oxley's up. Valens Grow Works is up. Canopy Rivers is up. This is good. This is good. The Flower Corporation is up. Weed MD is up. So there's a lot of stocks that are up right now. And the day's just getting started. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. I believe we have found the bottom. I think the bottom is in. And let's take a look at what's down. So one thing I've noticed, I don't know if you noticed this too, the stocks that are up are all the big boys. And the stocks that are down are a lot of the smaller ones. Believe down 14%, 3-cent stock. MYM Nutraceuticals down 6%, 15-cent stock. Nutritional High International Inc. down 3%, 12-cent stock. RavenQuest Biomed Inc. down 3%, 25-cent stock. FSD Pharma, what a nightmare, 7.5 cents, down 3%. The Tinley Beverage Company, 46 cents, down 2%. Supreme Cannabis, they're just an enigma. I don't think anybody understands what's wrong with Supreme Cannabis. It's such a good company, making so much revenue, profitable, everything going in the right direction. Down 1.8%. $1.08. 48 North, down 1.6%. Delta 9 Cannabis, down 1.5%. Emerald Health, down 1.5%. It's all the small ones. All of these stocks are under 127 or lower, and the bigger ones are the ones that are going up. Why? Because the institutions are positioning themselves in the big boys. Institutions are positioning themselves in the big ones. That's why. If we go back to America, and this is all on Rich TV Live, you can see all of it. Look at Tilt. It's doing it again. Told you guys, man. It's a buying opportunity for Tilt. Huge buying opportunity for Tilt and Green Growth Brands. Look at it go. Tilt up 12% in America. Green Growth Brands up 8% in America. CV Sciences, one of my top 10 picks for October, it's up now 30% since I did my video, up 7.8%. SOL Global Investments Corp up 7.5%. MCOA is trash. I would stay away from it. It's up 7%. Harvest Health and Recreation is flying at 445 in America, up 6.4%. Liberty Health Sciences up 6.3%. Pot Network Holdings up 5.9%. Charlotte's Web, CWeb up 4%. And Golden Leaf Holdings up 4%. I see a hell of a lot of green this morning. All right, guys, so I wanted to bring you that news on Green Growth Brands. Let it circulate. If you like this video, smash the like button. Share the video everywhere. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring you the winners, and we bring it to you first. Green Growth Brands with big news. 150 stores since February. Love their website. Love their branding. Love the fact that these guys want to be a global giant in CBDs. Love their CEO, Peter Horvath. He is a true entrepreneur and a huge success story. And I believe that this is a company, especially right now at these prices, that is going to do extremely well. Extremely well. And I believe that this is just the start for Green Growth Brands. All right. Thank you guys for joining me. Had to bring you guys the news first. Green Growth Brands, put it on a full alert. It's already green. Surprise, surprise. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. If you're not winning, you're not watching. Thank you for watching on YouTube. Thank you for watching on Live Me. I'm out. Peace. Oh, I can't leave like that. Usually I leave with some music, so let's just leave on a high note. Since we're in the green, and I predicted this, and I predicted the resurrection was here, and clearly we're having a resurrection, let's put on something that really resonates with the people. The Cannabis Stocks Resurrection song.
Cannabis Stocks and CEO interviews brought to you.
Wow, we had 100 people on Live Me. Let's go. 100 people on Live Me, 80 on YouTube, 180 people watching live from all over the world, and we bring in winners first. We bring in the winners first.
On these companies. Meanwhile, what they're trying to do is create a distraction so we don't take advantage of the cannabis stock resurrection. That's really what's going on.
It's true.
That's the truth. This is your boy Rich, and I'm out. Peace.
Agriflora is up 11%. Let's go.
Your money in, let the profits maximize. We the people stay true and we don't stand for lies. Canada, we the leader for the legalized. Herb be the cure for all the sick and all the broken. We wanted this for years and they thought we were joking.
Look at all that green.
We were always patient. Cannabis
Almost everything is green.
all the nations. So all my brothers and all my sisters, go on and light it up. Go on and take it to the head when the times are tough. I know we buying in the red, that's the sign of luck. Don't panic, we gotta manage, the time is us. And I don't care for the lefts and all the market.
A lot of green.
But I swear they nuts, I call them
See a lot of green.
Big pharma trying to get in for a piece of it. Because they know the medication, we don't believe in it. I'm so happy it's over, all the prohibition. And now we here, it's
And it's going higher. We're green and we're going higher. This is nice. This is good. Oh yeah, this is good. Tilt is flying, guys. Tilt is absolutely flying. Now up 15%. 8%. Wow. Unbelievable. Look at all the green, folks. Look at all the green. If you guys are on Live Me, follow me on YouTube. If you guys are on YouTube, follow me on Live Me. If you're following me on Live Me, I'll follow you. That's the other thing. Follow me and I'll follow you. Look at all the green. Wow. Harvest Health and Recreation is flying up 8%. Wow, look at all the green. There's only a few red stocks. Most of them are green. This is good. All right, party people. If there's any other breaking news, I'll bring it to you guys first. I wanted to bring you guys Green Growth Brands. I truly believe Green Growth Brands is at a bottom. If you want to go to Rich TV Live and follow, just type in GGB, Green Growth Brands, and it pops up. GGBXF in America, GGB in Canada. There it is, Green Growth Brands. We have everything at Rich TV Live, and you can learn everything about the company, quote, news, analyst expectations, closing prices, trades, chart, company, corporate events, share info, key ratios, filings, earnings. One-stop shop, folks. Once again, correctly predicted another winner that's climbing. Green Growth Brands. All we do is bring you winners first. Thank you, Stock Gods, for our daily bread. Thank you, Stock Gods, for our daily bread. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Are you guys liking the green today? We are green in Canada and the United States in the cannabis sector. True.
The new Wolf of Wall Street loves cannabis stocks. Rich TV Live loves and believes in cannabis stocks. The question is, do you believe in cannabis stocks, and will you achieve ultimate wealth through the cannabis stock revolution? It's truth.